The whole school approach for the public funding has been utilised and focused towards the children having access to outdoor gym equipment. This is probably stage 1 or stage 2 of our development plans. At the moment, the children have been trained by the Christchurch and Partnership sports advisor, Mr. Moody, how to use the equipment. It's the reiterating really of how exercise can lead to higher energy levels, better mood swings. The children's well-being is intrinsically linked to exercise, and in this day and age where children have so many more pressures restricting how much exercise they do, this will be instrumental in actually developing that forward. As part of the community links already, it can be seen that actually parents are already using this facility with the children after school. One of the things that we'd very much like to do now is have this as a class set, because the children actually use this on a daily basis already to come out almost for the daily physical activity. It's been interesting as well to notice how we've had parents actively involved with their children, almost become role models for education after the school. And in fact, 2 grandparents have already asked us whether we can put on sessions during the school day.
We wanted the outside gym equipment, firstly for physical activity for the children. It's really important that they get their hour every day of physical activity, but I think it's more than that. It's about developing social skills, and we've seen already at lunchtime and break time the children are active, but they're spending time with their friends as well. They're learning about communication, teamwork, and I think there's some resilience in there as well. So it's more about the development of the whole child, not just the physical.
We interviewed 3 companies, and we thought this company was the best because all the equipment was child safe and for all the children in our school.
I think that all of my friends have been a bit happier because they got more exercise and they've now got more energy, because before they just used to maybe sit around and talk, and now they can do exercise while they do that.
Because exercise is really good for you. It gets all the children out and makes them more happy because they're